this was my first album in my career, so it's homemade, you know. It's you know, my favorites from Kenya, my favorite from Tanzania, my favorite from Uganda, my favorite from Burundi, Rwanda, you know. And you know, I wanna big up every artist that came through. You know, the song with Nadia is a bang, and the song with Rayvanny is, yani everyone. So I wanted to start with Home, you know, and then now I have another surprise, maybe in a few months. Yeah.
So are we expecting you maybe utafanya kazi na msanii kutoka nchi gani outside East Africa?
From the other surprises, yeah. They should keep them. It's a surprise. That's why it's a surprise. For now, they should go stream Love Like This, you know, on Boomplay, and listen to that song with Rayvanny, with Nadia Mukami, with Jovial. Actually, we did not get time to premiere the song with Jovial, with Lydia Jasmine, you know, amazing lady from Uganda, and with Satbib from Burundi, Rwanda. So every song is a hit in that album.
Na Bahati, kuna wakati ambapo ulijiita wewe ndio ni tembo. Ikaleta shida fulani pale, ileta shida kwa kwadi tukamwona Harmonize kwa unfollow, sio kama umesha solve hizo issue na Harmonize.
I got busy bana, but I know we will talk tukipatana. You know, I'm not a beefing person. At times you just tease. Naelewa. I am never personal with anything, you know. Wale watu wananijua sana wanaweza jua. I easily forget things, you get. So when I meet him, no, I know we will buy because siko personal.
Now talking about Ezekiel Mutua, juzi amekukanya 200,000 Kenyan shillings. How did you feel?
Mnataka niongelele mambo Ezekiel kweli?
Yeah, please. Tell us something about Ezekiel.
I think see, personally, I don't want to respond to him on, you know, on media or social media because, you know, first I respect him also as a father, even though he did a wrong thing. I think there was a better way to do it. Sababu si ati ni pesa amenipea, you get. I nilifeel ni kama ni kiki, ni kama ni it was a trending. Unajua mimi nimetrend sana hii wiki, kila mtu YouTube ananijibu ananifanya nini, so I thought he's taking that advantage, but I cannot respond to him on social media, I'm on media, because no, I respect also him as a father figure, you know. Also, unajua mimi nimelelewa na majirani, so anyone that is older than me, I respect them as my parents, you know, and that's why sijaongea.
No, Bahati, talking about your attire, nakuona mvalia vazi lingine nzuri sana. Can you tell us the estimation? How much is it?
Ina kusema tu kweli, unajua sitaki kuongea ikae ni kama nime-exaggerate ya ukweli. Every of this, most of this nini ziko handmade, and tukiestimate ile kidogo sana, that 2K, that 2,000.
Viatu je?
Viatu ni za kawaida, hizi ni 5,000. You know, the attire is more expensive than the shoes.
Now, just talk about the cover. Ila cover ilileta shida, ukasema kuna vile Diana Maro alizusha. Is it true?
Jaleta shida because, you know, I share with Diana every concept. She understands that I'm an entertainer and she's supporting my dream and all that. You know, I respect my wife so much. So nothing, I just deliver whatever I need to do. And, you know, I respect my marriage so much. So I'm inside all through since Wanani. She's the one who talked to Koina to be in my video, and I appreciate her. She's the most supportive woman I know. Big up Diana Maro.
I would want you to big up Black TV tafadhali.
Bahati tena, Island's most beloved, God's son.